when we add in this nitric acid in this one brass piece, that time what happen? Brown fumes are formed. Brown fumes. Okay. In this brass piece, when you are adding this nitric acid, that time what happen? Brown fumes are formed. After these brown fumes, wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Nitrogen gas, that is a nitrogen oxide gas, is evaporates, that is evolved. Okay. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, next, that is urea. Take 1 gram of urea and add in this solution. Okay. First one is what, that is you will take brass piece and adding in this one, what is that? Nitric acids. Nitric acid added, that time what happen? Brown fumes are come. These brown fumes are comes means that nitrogen gas is evolved. After that what happened? Wait for 2 to 3 minutes, means that all must be evolved. That time what happened? Next one, that is adding the 1 gram of urea. Okay, adding 1 gram of urea. After that one, you have to add water. You have to add in the water. Okay. First one you are adding the HNO3 means these are dissolve the brass. Second, urea. When you are adding the urea means these are remove the excess amount of the HNO3 means brown fumes are means that nitrogen oxide gas is evolved, and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. After that you have to add in what here? Water. After that Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate. When you add in this one, these are the neutralizing the acids. This is what? Sodium carbonate. After that you are adding here sodium carbonate. When we adding the sodium carbonate means it neutralizing the acids, means completely dissolved. Yes, it is when you are adding the sodium carbonate means it's completely dissolved. Okay. After that one, we have to adding there is acetic acids. That is what? Acetic acids. Here we have to adding that acetic acids. Some are there in this one means it also good. It's a clear solution. This is what? Preparation of brass by using these chemicals. Okay. First you will take what? Beaker. In this one already given, that is a brass piece. After that you have to adding what here? HNO3. Means this HNO3 is dissolved the brass means it's completely dissolved. After that what happen? It colors is brown fumes. That time what happen? Adding wait for 2 to 3 minutes. After that you have to adding here urea. 1 gram of urea adding. After that one is remove the excess amount of the HNO3 means remaining parts must be evaporates. That time Na2CO3. Adding the Na2CO3 means the neutralizing the acids means that is neutralizing the acids. So next one is acetic acids means remaining is there no that acetic acids and it is a clear solution. and these clear solution you have to taken in this 250 ml of volumetric flask and diluted up to the this mark, and already I prepared this one, that is preparation of brass solution, and you have to take in this one that is conical flask, and this is the preparation of brass is the first part, and next continue at, that is part 2, that is estimation of copper, percentage calculation, the estimation of copper. Okay, next part second. First part is over, that is what? Preparation of brass solution. This is the preparation of brass solution, it is first part is over. Now we have to move to the second part. Second part is what? Estimation of percentage of copper. Okay, estimation of copper.